On this flawless silicon canvas, nature is rewritten at the nanoscale, creating the most complex architecture ever designed. On this flawless silicon surface, billions of microscopic structures materialize. This is the pulsing heart of artificial intelligence and the modern digital world. Inside this pristine environment, overhead transport vehicles operate continuously. Robotic arms must move with absolute mechanical precision. Every wafer holds
Inside the vacuum chamber, a controlled violent reaction begins. High-energy plasma ignites, accelerating charged ions. They carve microscopic pathways with
At the nanoscale, a landscape of pure logic unfolds. Billions of metallic interconnects form a vast vertical city. Here, logic gates snap.
We are seeing a slight fluctuation in Sector 4.
Copy that, adjusting the thermal flow now.
Each wafer undergoes thousands of individual checks. Our automated systems scan for defects at the atomic level. We must ensure absolute perfection every single chip.
Automated systems analyze billions of connections, verifying peak performance at incredible speed.
Here, micro-precision meets massive scale. Robotic systems mount individual dies onto advanced substrates. This is the birth of a processor.
Each chip undergoes rigorous validation. We are pushing this silicon to its absolute limit. Thermal performance remains within the margin.
At this scale, traditional physics begins to blend with pure information. This microarchitecture drives the world's most complex calculations. Witness the raw. It begins with a single point of perfect silicon, powering the world's most advanced machinery. This is the quiet force shaping our future.
We are looking at over 200 petaflops of sustained performance. This machine is actively reshaping computational science.
At this proving ground, split-second decisions are made. Processors map the environment with absolute precision.
Here, precision is measured in microns. Each microchip is the brain of a future satellite.
Beneath the vast scale of global networks lies a tiny marvel. Microchips are the silent engines powering world communication. They navigate our travels and bridge distant.
It begins with a single microscopic grain, powering the vast networks that connect our world, and defining the very frontier of our future. It begins with pure, raw earth, sliced with absolute precision, to create the brain of tomorrow. To create the brain of tomorrow. From a simple piece of earth to the world's most complex AI processor. Inside this massive facility, hundreds of autonomous systems work in perfect harmony. This is the front line of global atmospheric technology. Welcome to the Silicon Grid. Here, billions of transistors operate in perfect harmony, mapping the future of human intelligence. It begins with a single point of silicon, connecting billions of devices across the globe, a seamless web of data moving at the speed of light, powering the future. It begins with a single, microscopic point of power, moving advanced robotics and massive server arrays, driving the world's most powerful supercomputer. This is the core of modern artificial intelligence, a massive processor built to mimic the complex neural networks of the human brain. Executing from the core of a single microchip, hyperconnectivity now spans the entire planet. At the core of every great intelligence lies a single semiconductor chip.
The nanostructure alignment looks perfect. Proceed with the etch.